Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about my Amazon favorites. This is going to be stuff that I use in the salon and that have benefited me as a hairstylist. Let's get right into it. First, I had to mention these rolling trays. They're so amazing. They have these little wheels that the hair doesn't get stuck in, so that's a plus. And also they fold right up so you can store them away and they're out of your way if you have to clean and all that stuff. So I love these trays. Next up is the iVac. This little vacuum is so small, but it's so powerful. And also you could just sweep right up to it and it sucks everything up. It's so cool. You know, replaces a big bulky vacuum. And also if you don't want to have like a broom and scooper, you could just have one of these in the corner and sweep right up to it, and it's 10 out of 10 amazing. I love this thing. Next up we have ceramic bowls. So these ceramic bowls are so amazing. These ceramic bowls are amazing because they have some weight to them. So when they're sitting on your tray, they're not wobbling around. They work really well for color as well as lightener. And I've used them a lot and there's not a lot of like wear and tear on them. They're also relatively easy to clean. All right, this has to be one of my favorite things on the list, and it's these lights. I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but I'm pretty sure it's newer. I'm using them right now for extra lighting, but they are the best thing I've ever come across. Honestly, they have adjustable brightness as well as warmth and coolness. Can't live without them, period. That's it. Get them. This next thing I started doing kind of recently because I don't know where I saw it, but I came across it and I was like, wow, that is genius. If you do extensions, I highly recommend getting a photo box. I believe this is like a 4x6 photo box case that holds the little smaller boxes inside, and I just use my label maker to label them with my clients' names, and then you could just keep the extra hair here or give it to them, and it's like an easier, cuter way to store. And honestly, I will continue to do this for the rest of my career. This next item is good for your home or for your salon. It is this blanket from the brand Bedsure. It's so soft and so comfy. I absolutely love it. I have like 2 or 3 at home in different colors, but I love this one in black because it doesn't get stained with dye, and every time my clients get like cold at the bowl, I could just hand it to them and it's so soft. Up next, it's these foiling combs. These have been my favorite combs for I think like 4 years now. It's all I use. I keep repurchasing them because they're just so sturdy and nice. They're good for teasing. They're good for weaving. They're absolutely perfect. And I believe they're also heat proof, which is really good so they don't melt when you hold heat to them. And they come in a set of 3. So amazing. Up next is this mini fridge. There's a ton of mini fridges on Amazon that you can purchase, but we used to have this one at home for like small drinks and stuff that we can keep handy in our game room. But then I brought it over to the suite and it holds our water, our milk for our coffee, and our sodas. And I honestly can't picture my life without it. I think I'm gonna get an ice machine soon, so that'll probably be in the next video. Up next, we have another one of my favorite things that I have in my suite. It's these jars with the black lids. They look so sleek, so clean. They hold my clips, and I have another one that holds my lightener. And it's super convenient because they come with the scoopers already, almost like they knew. I'm pretty sure they use this for like laundry purposes, but it's perfect because I can see at all times how much lightener I have. When I need to re-up, it's one of my favorite things ever. And yeah, I highly recommend doing this if you have a salon studio. If you want to keep your space clean and organized and just like more aesthetic, then I highly recommend these spray bottle organizers. They come with the labels. They come with a bunch of different labels, but the ones that I'm using for these 2 is multi-purpose and glass cleaner. So I have Windex and whatever multi-purpose cleaner I'm using at the moment in this one. And I keep these on my countertops and it just looks so clean and sleek, and it looks part of like the decor. So Lazy Susans are perfect for home and salon decor as well as like organization because they keep everything together and you're able to move it around if you need to like reach and grab something that's in the back. And it just looks really aesthetic because it looks like it's all on a little tray, and Love the way it looks. This very compact trash can is super aesthetic. It has like that black and gold accent, and it's also very small, so it, you know, kind of motivates you to take out the trash a little bit more often if you're in like a smaller space, and it's just so cute. I love it. And it's very convenient to use. We keep our little bags inside and then we just switch them and take them out, and it's just worked for us. These expandable shelves I use to separate these bigger cabinets so we can make use of more space. So we have 2 tiers instead of just one, and that way we can stack things on top of each other, and then there's just more space in the overall cabinet to store more things. When I first moved into a salon suite, I realized that a lot of them don't come with like color storage. I ended up buying these purse organizers. These are supposed to be purse organizers that go in your closet to just kind of stack them, but if you put them close enough together, they fit the size of the boxes of the color, and it's just so convenient. This is another item that I have both at home and in the salon. It's these acrylic organizers that you put away into your drawers and cabinets, and then it just keeps everything nice and clean and organized and easy to access. So many items that I have both at home and at the salon. This is another one. This is a candle warmer. I love these candle warmers because they make the candles last so much longer, and the smell I feel like is so much more potent since you lose that fire aspect. And also, since I'm in a salon studio, you can't really have anything that you light on fire, so these work perfect if you want your space to smell good, and it also looks very cute. Up next is an Octobuddy. So Octobuddy came out with this new double-sided suction cup one where you can remove your pop socket and it suction cups onto your phone as well as whatever surface you're putting it on. And it's so convenient because I used to have the one that was MagSafe, but it's not very strong compared to having a full side of suction cups. I love this. I feel like everyone needs a good phone light. So this one clips onto your phone and it has a hole right here so it goes over your camera. It's also 2 different settings, so well 3 different settings. You have the cool light, the warm light, and then the one that has both for a more like natural effect. You can dim it, it's rechargeable, and it holds charge for a pretty good amount of time. And it's just very compact and you can store it anywhere, and I love this thing. I've had it for so long, and if I lost it, I would repurchase it again. So if that tells you anything. So I'm gonna be linking all of these items down below. It'll send you right to Amazon and you can purchase them, and it's gonna make it nice and easy for you to snatch what you want. Stop recording. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you want me to make a part 2. There's a lot of things that I buy on Amazon. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.